Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will actually be showing you guys my first how-to tutorial with my clip-in extensions from Dynasty Virgin Hair. You guys are always asking questions about my hairstyles and how do I do things and how do I do my clip-ins and the process. So today you guys are going to get a full tutorial on the entire process, which is like what you guys have been waiting on. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and leave comments below on things that you would like to see in my future videos. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, I'm fresh out the shower and I'm going to be showing you guys the process that I go through when I am installing my extensions. So this is my hair fresh out the shower, still wet. I haven't colored my hair in since April or May, and it's September now. So it still looks like jet black, but it's like really not. It's like faded. As you can see. Okay, so I'm going to blow dry this, and then I'm going to show you guys like my process of how I like braid my hair up just in the back. I only braid the back up. Like it's like a mini sew-in, like a clip-in sew-in. I don't know. I just don't like having like the hair down on my neck actually on my neck. So I braid like all right here up just so that hair is like out of the way. So if I sweat and stuff, it's just not like sticking to my neck. But I'm going to show you guys that part. And then I'm going to show you how I install it. So just keep watching. Alright guys, so the first step I do is blow dry my hair, and as you can see I do have it parted. I part it in 3 sections. I do a bottom section, a middle, and a small top section. And what I am actually using is a Revlon blow dryer. This thing is literally amazing. It's my friend's, but she's super nice and lets me use it whenever I need to blow dry my hair. It just allows my process to go a lot faster. So if you are looking for something to help your blow dry process go faster, I definitely recommend this product. So this is what it looks like when it's all dried. It's a lot of hair. But now I'm going to braid up the back like I told you guys I was gonna do. And these braids do not have to be perfect by any means. I literally just braid. Like I don't even know if my parts are straight half the time. I just braid because it's just a quick part that you're just doing. So yeah, I'm just gonna braid kind of like from this part of my head. Like I said, I just want that hair off my neck. So I'm gonna braid that, and then we are going to flat iron whatever is left out, and then I'm going to what am I going to do? Install the hair. Sorry, I'm not using it today. And usually in the past I have braided my hair with my hair pressed out, but my hair gets really fine when it's pressed out. I know it doesn't look like it right now because I got a lot of hair, but when it's pressed out, it's really fine and it's really thin, and my braids don't hold as well when I try to like braid them. So I've learned that I have to braid it when it's freshly blow dry because it's still got a little thick texture to it, as you guys can see, and then flat iron whatever's left out. So I'm gonna braid and then we will install. so this is the hair that I will be using. This is the exotic wavy clip-in extensions from Dynasty, and I'm going to install the pieces that usually go in the back right here on my braids, and then I'm gonna flat iron my natural hair out and put pieces in as I go. So I'm going to show you guys that process of how I actually install this hair. So I'm actually going to straighten and curl it at the same time. It just helps to go ahead and get the curl out of the way. So this is me just showing you guys how I wand curl it. This is a Hot Tools curling iron that I got like when I was in cosmetology school. So I've literally had this since I was like 19. So I'm not even sure if they have anymore, but it works for my hair and I love it. And it's not that easy for beginners to use, but it's easy if you actually know what you're doing because the clamp is a little hard to use. But it's gold plated and it works for my hair and it gets the job done. So I love this product. Eco Styler olive oil gel, and I'm going to show you guys how I do my baby hairs. Oh man, this is like the most highly requested thing ever is me showing you guys how I do it, but this is just like a really quick example of like how I do my baby hairs on the regular. Okay guys, so here is one more final look at my hair, all installed. Honestly, I always hate my first day hair because it just never works right. Like, my hair is very fine, like I told you, and so it's just like, it moves too much for me. I like it to have a little bit more oil to it, so usually like day 2 or day 3 hair is like my favorite. But this is how I do my installs. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I don't know, I guess I'll be doing more how-to videos. I know you guys always are wondering like how I switch up my hair, and this literally took me about 3 hours to do in total, so that's why it's always like hard for me to actually record. It's because it's just so time consuming, but I'm trying to get better at that for you guys, because I know you guys want to see more like how-to videos, especially with like my hair and makeup, so I'm trying to get that out for you guys. But I hope you guys liked this how-to look. Hope you guys learned something. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.